What's up guys? So after the first two purchases of Keel Shark and Horn Rhino, we had to go back and get a double pack.
Oh yeah.
We don't have like the stadium set yet, and also the other double pack we couldn't find, and also Samurai Steel.
Yeah, Samurai Steel.
Yeah, we couldn't find that as well, but
And also I ordered BX. No? Yeah.
UX.
UX 10. So
And I also ordered
Hell's Chain.
Hell's Chain, yeah, the starter.
No, not Hell's Chain, sorry, Hell's Scythe.
Hell's Scythe, yeah, to get a dummy version. But yeah, let's get into it.
And this looks cool. Oh,
Okay, so let's let it rip.
that didn't work. That's
poor dear.
yes.
Okay, let's get into it.
Tear that sucker open, man.
Oh, guys, we finally did it.
Beyblade. Oh, yeah. Oh. Why do yours always tear so well? Mine sucks.
We don't care about this. Man, this is cool.
Hell's Chain. An Arrow Wizard.
Arrow Wizard.
Tip. Needle. Yes, it's the needle tip with a 460. 4 parts of people say is horrible. Like we're gonna test that. Like people say it bursts the most.
The color is pretty cool.
It does look cool. I love green, man. High taper.
I literally can't get this thing out.
Plastic's too strong. High taper.
And then also 560.
Some people got like the wrong height on some of the Hell's Hive stuff back when they first came out. Here are the QR codes.
Okay guys, let's do just a taste spin quickly of Arrow Wizard. That's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough. Got it. Chain Incendio. Oh,
That balance type power, bro. But now,
let's do some battles.
what do you think?
Let's do.
Alright, let's first do the double pack. 3, 2, 1. Oh, finish, dream finish. Oh, this one, like defense is just not good in Beyblade X.
Okay, let's do 2 battles with Arrow Wizard against some of the others.
Let's go the goat. 3, 2, 1.
That heats though.
Oh, what? Well, maybe defense isn't that bad. Let's go another attack type. 3, 2, 1. You launched on top of me. Let's do Incendio. Let's see how he fares up against Wizard Rod.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, maybe he's not that good. Want to go again against him?
Yeah, let's do another one.
Gotta redeem yourself, man. 3, 2, 1. Chain Incendio.
The stamina won't be enough.
No. Ah.
Let's
He's
do
down.
maybe get against an attack type.
Another one. Again.
Or maybe one rhino.
You're gonna. No, let's do an attack type.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh. Nah, man. But maybe that it was the wrong purchase.
So, what are your guys' thoughts on the deal pack?
Especially Incendio because
Yeah, it's made.
this
It's basically just featuring him.
this is mostly like extra parts. Yeah. But it's still a cool Beyblade though. The color scheme.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah. Bye guys.